Hey guys, today I introduce a traditional Japanese dish, Takenoko Gohan, bamboo shoot rice. Takenoko, which comes from bamboo, is an ingredient known for its texture, often used in dishes like ramen memen. I'll show you how to make Takenoko Gohan, a traditional Japanese dish using just a rice cooker. Why not make your usual white rice more delicious and healthy? So let's make it together! Let's introduce the ingredients: bamboo shoots, carrot, aburaage, rice, sugar, soy sauce, sake, and Dashi of Bonito. Now let's make this super healthy Takenoko Gohan. First, wash the rice. There might be dirt on the surface of the rice, so rinse it lightly 3 to 4 times. Be gentle to avoid breaking the grains. Light stirring is enough. Next, cut the bamboo shoots. The cutting method isn't strict, but slice about 5 mm width and roughly 2 cm square are ideal. Once cut, soak in the bamboo shoot in the water. This helps to remove the bitterness. Leave them soaking for about 5 minutes while preparing the other ingredients. Next, cut the carrot. Slice it lengthwise into 5 mm width. Aim to cut the other ingredients smaller than the bamboo shoots since they are main ingredient. After slicing, stack the carrot pieces and cut them lengthwise into 5 mm width stick. Once all the carrot is cut, it's ready. Next, prepare the aburaage. Cut it into third lengthwise. Then, slice it into 5 mm width just like the carrot. Finally, drain the bamboo shoots. With the carrot, aburaage, and bamboo shoots all prepared, we are ready to move on. All that's left is to cook it in the rice cooker. Add all ingredients to the rice cooker. Then, add the Dashi of Bonito, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Finally, add 400 ml of water and give it a lightly stir. The key here is not to stir the rice itself, just stir the floating ingredients. If you stir the rice, it might not cook properly. Now, place everything in the rice cooker and wait for it to cook. The Takenoko Gohan is ready! Since all ingredients are on top, give it a good mix to distribute everything evenly. The delicious aroma of soy sauce is filling the air. I can hardly wait! Once you serve it in the bowls, the Takenoko Gohan is complete! Finish! So let's いただきます. Today, let's enjoy it with the miso soup made with the onions and shiitake mushroom, a perfect match for the Takenoko Gohan. Here are ingredients for miso soup. Now let's dig into the Takenoko Gohan. The texture of bamboo shoots and the soy sauce flavored rice go perfectly together. The added umami from the vegetables makes this the best Takenoko Gohan. Everyone, please try making this simple and healthy Takenoko Gohan at home! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!